Hi friends, welcome to #TechieMe. In continuation in the Daytime API series, we'll see the current video in which we'll see about the local date time and how to measure the duration between two time slots, or what do you mean by period in regards to Java date time API. So let's go for it, and we'll see so in front of the screen. So what I've done, I've taken a local date time, and that I've taken a date in the form of a year, followed by month, followed by date, and these are the time differences. I can put this also in value of that. This is in hours, this is in minutes. So you can check over here. If you hover over here, in year, month, day of the month, hour, minute. So that full value only I've taken. So accordingly, I've filled the value. Day of the month, say 10. Hours is 30. 22 minutes. So considering 24-hour format, I've taken these values. So this is one date time instance, and this is followed by that is the below another date time instance. So after that, I've taken the duration class. Now here the point to note is that duration helps to know what is the time difference between two time instances. So let's say I've taken local date time. So I use this static instance method and duration between local time 1, local time 2. What would be it? We'll get to know of hours, and we'll get to know what's the duration in seconds. Period. Period is also an important class. Now here, see, uh, duration is used to compare the time difference between two time local date time instances, and period is used to get the period. It can be in days, years, also weeks. So you can get to know. See, I've taken here days, years. When you go over here, what is it? Days, months, weeks. So these values over here. So according to need, you need to decide where you want the days, number of days for the period, for number of days, or the years, or the weeks, and you can accordingly use them. So let's see what output it prints in front of the console. So let's compile the program. As you can see in the console, it's giving instant value in epochs. That is instant value of epoch second. Yeah. One more thing is that epoch second is a format that is used to know in what format does the computer or machine can understand, because usually humans do interpret the time in hours, minutes, seconds, but in the computer there is some different format. So it's I given the value as 4, and see the value that is printed, that is some arbitrary year that is printed 1971 1. So in short, 1st January of 1917, and the format is 00 hours followed by minutes followed by seconds. And here note that we have taken 4 epoch seconds, so it's given 4Z over here. So what I use 5, and we compile it. Let's see any other. Yeah, we'll give 5. So instant value, it differs according to what we value pass. So epoch second, nothing but it's a computer readable format for reading the time. So it's readily or easily understandable in the computer format, and followed by that we have the value in seconds. So many seconds that is the first or second output we get. duration 1.8 seconds. As we compare the time duration between these two dates, and so basically 3 days time is given in terms of seconds, so many seconds you can see over here, and followed by that duration of hours I've taken as 2. So note, 1 hour is 3600 seconds, the 2 hours will give 7200 seconds, so it's correctly printed as 7200 seconds, followed by the period of days, that is 2, and see here, taken 2, so it's correctly printed as 2, the number of period of days we get, followed by the years, that is 3. So we carefully need to be aware what is our purpose, and so accordingly we can use the classes, and we can extract the information about the dates or time, and we can also calculate the duration between the two dates, as you will see. So this video was all regarding about the epoch second, the duration class, the period class in Java Date Time API. More to come on you in core Java basics. Keep liking, subscribing, hashtagging me. Bye for now.